Ever wondered why setting up your Shopify store feels like trying to solve a complex puzzle? Oh yes, the struggle is real. It's like navigating through a maze with a blindfold on. You've got all these technical terms flying around: SEO, themes, coding, payment gateways, and whatnot. Then there's the pressure to make your store stand out in the vast sea of e-commerce. And let's not forget about the complex logistics of shipping and handling. It's enough to make your head spin, right? All these challenges can be overwhelming, and they can impact the success of your online business. You may feel like you're climbing a steep hill with no end in sight, but like every puzzle, there's always a solution. There's always a way to connect the dots to make sense of the chaos, and that's where we come in. But don't worry, this video guide will help you navigate through these challenges smoothly. Before we dive into the setup process, let's understand what Shopify is all about. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that enables entrepreneurs to start, grow, and manage a business. It's a one-stop shop for all your e-commerce needs, providing a platform to create your online store, manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping. Shopify empowers businesses of all sizes, from budding startups to established enterprises. Its user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and robust features make it a top choice for e-commerce enthusiasts. Now, let's debunk some common misconceptions about Shopify. It's not just for big businesses. Even if you're a small business owner or a hobbyist looking to monetize your passion, Shopify is there for you. And no, you don't need to be tech-savvy to use Shopify. Its intuitive design and easy-to-use tools make it accessible to everyone. Now, with a clear understanding of Shopify, you are ready to set up your store. Time to roll up your sleeves and start the process. First step, signing up. Let's dive right in. To start your journey with Shopify, head over to their official website. Look for the Start Free Trial button. It's usually in a prominent place. Click on it and you'll be directed to a sign-up page. Here you'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and name your store. Remember, the accuracy of this information is crucial. It's not just about security, but it's also about building a trusted brand. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, click on the Create Your Store button. Shopify will then take a few moments to set up your store. In the meantime, you'll be asked to answer a few more questions about your business. This helps Shopify tailor your store to your needs. Finally, you'll be asked to enter your business address and other details. After you've entered these, click Enter My Store. Congratulations, you are now a proud owner of a Shopify account. With your account ready, it's time to build your online shop. First things first, let's talk about themes. Shopify has a wide array of themes to choose from, all designed to give your online shop a professional and eye-catching look. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or high-tech gadgets, there's a theme that's perfect for your brand's personality. You can filter themes by industry, layout style, and other features to find the one that suits you best. Once you've chosen a theme, it's a breeze to install it onto your store. Now that your store has a theme, it's time to personalize it. Shopify's customization interface allows you to adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand's aesthetic. Want to add a slideshow on your homepage? No problem. How about a featured product section? You got it. The key is to make your store feel like a virtual extension of your brand. Next, let's add some products. To do this, navigate to the Products tab on your Shopify dashboard. Here, you can add images, write descriptions, set prices, and manage your inventory. Remember, quality product photos and compelling descriptions can make a world of difference in convincing customers to hit that Add to Cart button. Lastly, we need to set up your payment and shipping options. Shopify supports a wide range of payment gateways, including credit cards, PayPal, and even cryptocurrencies. Choose the options that make the most sense for your customers. For shipping, you can set flat rates, offer free shipping, or calculate rates based on weight or location. Shopify also integrates with major shipping carriers to provide real-time shipping rates, and there you have it. You've selected a theme, customized your store, added products, and set up your payment and shipping options. Your online shop is starting to take shape, and you're one step closer to launching your e-commerce empire. Great job! Your online shop is starting to take shape. Before we go live, it's crucial to test your store. Now you might be wondering, why is this step so important? Well, think about it this way. You're about to invite the whole world into your new online store. You want to make sure everything works perfectly. The last thing you need is for a customer to encounter a glitch just as they're about to check out. So, how do you test your store? Well, it's simple. Shopify allows you to place test orders. This means you can go through the entire purchase process just like a customer would. You can add products to your cart, enter shipping information, and even go through the payment process. The best part, you won't be charged a dime. It's all in the name of ensuring a smooth customer experience. Now, when you're placing these test orders, you want to pay close attention to a few things. First, the functionality of your site. Is it easy to navigate? Can customers find what they're looking for without too much hassle? Second, the checkout process. Is it straightforward and user-friendly? Remember, a complicated checkout process could lead to abandoned carts. And finally, the confirmation emails. Are they being sent out promptly? Do they contain all the necessary information? Testing your store isn't just about finding and fixing problems, it's also about reviewing and improving the overall customer experience. It's about ensuring that when your customers visit your store, they're not just purchasing a product, they're having a positive shopping experience. Remember, your online store is an extension of your brand. Every detail, from the product descriptions to the checkout process, should be a reflection of the quality and service you want your brand to represent. So, take your time with this step. Review, revise, and test again until you're confident that everything is just right. This might seem like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. It's better to discover and fix any issues now than to have your customers discover them later. Well done, you've successfully tested your store. Now you're one step closer to opening your store to the world. The journey is far from over, but hey, you're making progress and that's what counts. Keep going, you're doing great. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, going live. Now that you've signed up, set up your online shop and tested your store, it's time to take the leap and open your virtual doors to the world. But how do you do that? It's simpler than you might think. First, let's say goodbye to that password page. From your Shopify admin, click on Online Store and then Preferences. Here, you'll find the password page section. If you've got a password enabled, you'll see a checkbox that says Enable Password. Simply uncheck that box and just like magic, your password page is gone. But don't hit Save just yet. Before you do, consider adding a message in the Message for Your Visitors box. This could be a warm welcome message or perhaps a special offer to celebrate your store's grand opening. After all, who doesn't love a good celebration, especially when there's something in it for them? Now you're ready to hit Save. And there you have it. Your store is now live and accessible to the whole wide world. But wait, you're not done yet. You've built it, but will they come? That's where the magic of marketing comes in. Announce your store launch on social media, send out an email blast to your mailing list, or even consider running a paid ad campaign. The goal is to get the word out there, to let people know that you're open for business. Remember, your store is new. It's going to take some time to build up traffic and start making sales. But don't let that discourage you. Every great journey begins with a single step, and you've just taken a giant leap. And here's a pro tip. Keep testing, keep refining, and keep improving. The beauty of e-commerce is that you can always make changes and improvements, and it's never too late to learn and grow. Congratulations! Your Shopify store is now live and ready to welcome customers. The world of e-commerce is now your oyster. Go forth and conquer. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered today. We started off by acknowledging that the Shopify struggle is real, but there's a way around it. We then unwrapped the world of Shopify, a platform that's much more than a simple e-commerce tool. We then took our first step into this world by signing up. This included choosing the right plan for your needs and setting up your account. Next, we delved into the technicalities of setting up your online shop, from choosing the right theme to adding products and setting up payment gateways. We then moved on to testing your store, ensuring everything works as expected, and your customers can shop with ease. Lastly, we covered the exciting step of going live, putting your store out there for the world to see and shop. Remember, the journey of e-commerce is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep improving your store and happy selling.